Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is it Worth It Y'all, and today we are going to do September's meal planning. So stick around, let's see how August looked and see what we've got in store for September. Here we go. We're gonna start with September or August. So here was our August plan and this was actual. As you can see, we did a lot of the stuff that we were gonna do. It ended up on the wrong day, or as you can see, we didn't eat a couple nights because we weren't hungry. We had big lunches. So we are gonna move into, although let's see. Oh, we did better than we did last month. We had exactly 15 days, half of the month. So we went over half, we did 16. We actually did good and did what we said we were gonna do. So let's get to going on the plan for September. So I have a list of meals that we need to get through. But what I'm gonna do is layer in what we know are our leftover days. Then we're gonna layer in our burger nights. And actually, I think we're gonna change these. These are gonna be ramen nights this go round. Where's my correction tape? Okay, ramen was on the list, so we'll take that off. Now, let's layer in some of the stuff we know we need to do. Let's go ahead. This is Memorial Day. So what I think I want to do here is chili, because I think we're not going to do burgers and dogs. So maybe we'll put chili there. That's going to be one of our Quick Candy Cuisine episodes. You're going to like that. Let's see. Let's do tomato soup here. Okay. Let's pull in a beef stew here. Fridays we like to do fish, so let's do salmon patties here. Let's do unstuffed bell peppers. Those take time, so let's do those here. Then we're gonna do a breakfast for dinner there. We need to use up this cauliflower rice that I keep saying we need to use. So let's just do, I'm gonna do cauliflower rice in 3 different places. Okay. And then let's do something with, let's do pizza here, but we're gonna do something different. We're gonna use Spam and pineapple. That'll be fun. We're gonna put some Spam in that ramen too, because I got a video coming up for that. Wow, we've pretty much filled this up. Okay, let's go to the infamous, not updated, and see what, oh, we got beef brisket we need to use. We're gonna do beef, we'll do beef brisket here. We still have beef brisket we need to use, that's funny. Let's do, got rid of those yesterday. We have 6 cauliflower rice we need to get rid of. Yes, please. Let's do something with, let's do like taco night here. And we'll use the cauliflower rice. Oh, we have that leg of lamb. Let's do that here. I found it, so I know it's in there now. Let's do the pork loin here. because we still have 4 of those to get through. And we have a smoked chicken. Let's do the smoked chicken here. What else? We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nights left. Let's see. Let's go look at Greg's freezer. He's got tofu. We're gonna use that for ramen. Oh, let's do a meatloaf. Let's have meatloaf here. We have a couple of those. And then we need another, we'll do salmon or fish here. We need a fish night. Oh, you know what we forgot to lay in? Date night. So we'll make this a date night. And then we'll have fish and chips here. Let's move the cauliflower rice here, and we'll move the leg of lamb here. And we'll make this a date night. Oops. And what do we want to do here? We did all our faves. Let's look at the garage freezer. We're gonna use that boudin. Let's do something with, let's do burger night here since we're doing a ton of ramen this month because it's starting to cool off. I think this looks good. Okay, so we've used the list that I needed to get done, and we've filled in with some of the items that I wanted to get rid of. I think this looks good, y'all. Okay, how long was that? How long did that take us? About 10 minutes? Okay, cool. So here's the plan. Obviously, we follow it about half of the time. That's the plan. We follow it about, what, half the time each month? But I'm okay with that because it's a plan. We adapt, things come up, we end up going to dinner or just find something at the grocery store on sale, and that's what we do. So that's how we plan each month. We use what we've got in our freezers. We look at what we've got coming up that we maybe want to show you guys how to make, and pretty much that's it. So again, that's planning for the month of September and showing you what August looks like. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.